Got a pounding headache? Let's get rid of it instantly with these effective tips. Have you ever been in the middle of a busy day when a headache strikes, making it hard to focus and get anything done? If so, you're not alone. Headaches are a common problem that can disrupt our daily lives and productivity. But don't worry today, we're going to show you how to tackle them head-on. Headaches can be more than just an annoyance. They can derail your entire day, making it difficult to concentrate, reducing your efficiency, and causing significant discomfort. Whether it's a tension headache from stress, a migraine, or one caused by dehydration, finding quick relief is crucial. That's why having a set of easy, effective techniques to alleviate headaches can be a game changer. In this video, we'll explore several proven methods to help you get relief from a headache instantly. Make sure to watch until the end for a special bonus tip on preventing headaches in the future. Let's dive in. Technique number 1. Hydration. Did you know that one of the most common causes of headaches is dehydration? When your body lacks sufficient water, it can trigger headaches and other symptoms. Staying hydrated is key to preventing and relieving headaches. One of the simplest ways to combat a headache is to drink a glass of water. If you think dehydration might be the cause of your headache, start by drinking water or an electrolyte drink to rehydrate your body. This can often provide quick relief. Use this technique at the onset of a headache to quickly rehydrate and potentially alleviate symptoms. If you're prone to headaches, make it a habit to drink water regularly throughout the day to prevent dehydration in the first place. Technique number 2. Cold or warm compress. Temperature therapy can be highly effective for relieving headache pain. Applying a cold or warm compress helps to reduce inflammation, relax tense muscles, and improve blood circulation, all of which can alleviate headache symptoms. For a cold compress, you can use a cold pack or a bag of frozen peas wrapped in a cloth. Place it on your forehead, temples, or the back of your neck. The cold temperature helps numb the area and reduce the throbbing pain. For a warm compress, use a warm towel or a heating pad. Place it on your forehead or the back of your neck. The warmth helps to relax tight muscles and increase blood flow, which can be particularly effective for tension headaches. Apply the compress to your forehead or neck for 15 to 20 minutes during a headache. You can use this technique whenever you feel a headache coming on or when you need quick relief from an existing headache. Experiment with both cold and warm compresses to see which one works best for you. Technique number 3. Massage. Massaging certain pressure points on your head and neck can help alleviate headache pain. This technique works by improving blood circulation and releasing muscle tension, which are common contributors to headaches. Here's a step-by-step guide to massaging the key areas. Use your index and middle fingers to apply gentle, circular pressure to your temples. Massage for about 1 to 2 minutes. Place your fingers at the base of your skull and apply gentle pressure. Move your fingers in circular motions to massage the area. Do this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Use your thumb and index finger to apply pressure to the area between your eyebrows. Press gently for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, then release. Use your fingers to massage your scalp, starting at the base of your neck and moving up towards your forehead. This can be done for about 2 to 3 minutes. Use this technique whenever a headache strikes, especially if it's caused by tension. Massage can also be used as a preventive measure if you tend to get headaches from stress or muscle tension. Regularly massaging these areas can help reduce the frequency and severity of headaches. Technique number 4. Aromatherapy. Aromatherapy is a natural method to help relieve headache pain using essential oils. Certain scents have therapeutic properties that can reduce stress, alleviate pain, and promote relaxation, which can be particularly effective for headaches. Here are some essential oils that are known to help with headaches. Peppermint oil. Its menthol content can help relax muscles and ease pain. Lavender oil. Known for its calming properties, it can help reduce stress and tension. Eucalyptus oil. Helps to clear nasal congestion, which can relieve sinus-related headaches. Application methods. Simply open the bottle and inhale the scent deeply for a few minutes. Dilute a few drops of essential oil with a carrier oil, like coconut or almond oil, and gently massage onto your temples and the back of your neck. Add a few drops of essential oil to a diffuser and let the aroma fill the room. Use aromatherapy during a headache for soothing, natural relief. It can also be beneficial to use these essential oils as a preventive measure or whenever you feel stress building up. Technique number 5, breathing exercises. Deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress and relieve headache pain by increasing oxygen flow to the brain and promoting relaxation. This simple yet effective technique helps to calm the mind and body, reducing the tension that can cause headaches. Here is a simple breathing exercise you can practice. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Count to 4 as you inhale. Hold your breath for a count of 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Repeat this cycle for 5 to 10 minutes, focusing on your breath and trying to clear your mind of any stress. Practice deep breathing at the onset of a headache or during stressful situations to help alleviate symptoms. This technique can also be used regularly to maintain a calm and relaxed state, helping to prevent headaches from occurring in the first place. Bonus tip: preventing headaches. Preventing headaches is often easier than treating them once they occur. By making some long-term lifestyle changes, you can significantly reduce the frequency and severity of headaches. 1. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity can help reduce stress and tension, which are common triggers for headaches. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, like walking or cycling, most days of the week. 2. Balanced diet. Eating a well-balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help maintain stable blood sugar levels and prevent headaches. Avoid skipping meals and try to eat at regular intervals. 3. Proper sleep. Ensure you get enough sleep each night, typically 7 to 9 hours for most adults. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. 4. Stress management. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your daily routine, such as yoga, meditation, or simply taking time to relax and unwind. Learning to manage stress effectively can greatly reduce the likelihood of tension headaches. Remember, adopting these healthy habits not only helps prevent headaches, but also contributes to overall well-being. Making small, consistent changes to your lifestyle can lead to significant improvements in your health. Start by implementing 1 or 2 of these tips and gradually incorporate more into your routine. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on maintaining a healthy and balanced life. Stay healthy and headache-free.